Hey there, welcome back to How To and What's New with Bill Spend and Expense. Today we're going to take a look at how to set up a new feature for Bill called the Travel Profile. To access your own travel profile, you'll start by clicking on the profile image in the top right hand corner and then select Profile. Or if you're an admin setting up someone else's profile, you can access the travel profile details in the People page by simply clicking on the name of the person you want to edit. When you get to your profile page, you'll see this new section labeled Travel Profile. Go ahead and click on that. And now as you can see, this is where all of your travel information and preferences are. To fill it out is really simple. You'll start by clicking the Edit button here. And from here, you can simply fill out all of the information you like to fill out. Now, the benefit of coming here and filling all of this out is that when you go to book travel through Bill, all of your information, including your contact info, passport number, traveler number, and any loyalty numbers where you can earn points, will be pre-filled, making checkout extremely fast and extremely easy. Once you've finished filling everything out, you can go ahead and hit Save Profile, and you're done. Now the next time you book something through Bill Travel, all of these details will already be filled out, so it makes checkout a breeze. Thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing day today, and we'll see you in the next one.